How to check last call duration on iPhone. Go to the call dialer, tap on it. It comes out like this, then tap on recent call. If you have recent call, tap on recent call. And if you don't have recent call, don't worry, I'll get you covered. I will explain that in this video. So once you tap on recent call, make sure you tap on the eye icon. Once you tap on the eye icon, it comes out like this, then go ahead and tap on call history. Once you tap on call history, you have access to all the recent call and the last call duration on the device. You can see that here I spent 13 seconds then and the date, you see the date there. So that is how to do that. But in case your own is not like this where you don't have recent call, it's simple. Go ahead and tap on this three line, then tap on, make sure you tap on classic. If yours is under on the unified, tap on classic, because if it is under unified, you will get something like this. So tap on it and tap on classic, then you should be able to have the eye icon, thereby access the information you want to access and be able to share the last duration call on your iPhone. If you hear this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.